We unbolted the back of the exhaust. There's no muffler or anything. Corolla. Like a race.
Really?
Actually, this is gonna upset neighbours.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the vlog. Welcome back to another week of vlogging. This week we are with Noah and Corey and Isaiah, and we are looking at Noah's car, what he's done to it. It's a fun time. FYI, nothing illegal was done, no speeding, it was all completely legal. Anyway, let's go back into what the Corolla actually sounds like. Does it sound like a race car? I don't know. Make sure you stick around right to the end because there is some fun stuff coming up at the end. It's pretty funny. I'll let you guys get back in.
Actually, this is gonna upset neighbours.
We're literally only going 60.
Yep. We've got the noise of 200. It also makes tyre school really easy.
Yeah.
I should show you that.
I heard the tyre screech.
That was only just a little bit.
It was like a da-da.
Oh, I'm gonna get kicked. It's time for me to leave in case anyone. It's just me trying to drive normally too. I can't even drive normally. Going up the hill. It'll still be really.
Yeah.
What?
Right here we picked up Corey and Isaiah, and we weren't telling them what Noah had done to the cup. We wanted to see their legitimate reactions, but we also didn't want to scare Corey's mum because you hear a noisy car, you automatically think, oh no, they're speeding. We weren't speeding. Noah's his car makes a lot of noise. So anyway, we're trying not to tell Corey and Isaiah what was happening. It's really hard not to. Anyway, this is what happened. Yeah.
What is this from? Is that what you were talking about?
You just unbolted the exhaust and now it sounds like a race car.
What
Just
does it
right
sound
down.
Far out. It's so good. Because it's a race car.
No, it's not.
What, you don't believe the Corolla's a race car? You reckon all the car guys at Menno were impressed by my Corolla?
That was like a car being.
They're all looking around. Who was that? They thought it was anyone but me making that noise.
This is us. This is us.
Man, there's a car.